for the entire month. Tulad kanina, coincided with the flag raising ceremony in Camp Crame. Nagkaroon din tayo ng kick-off ceremony natin ng PCR month dito sa province. And isa sa mga activities natin is yung pag-award ng high functionality certificate sa ating mga MADAX na nireceive naman kanina ng mga HEPE. Furthermore, may mga activities tayong nilay like yung agsisilpo or yung coconut planting natin. We also have the VIP kids or the visiting indigenous people and poor kids na i-hold sa Robinsons, Ilocos Norte. We also have this Dugong Bayani wherein wini-welcome natin lahat ng willing mag-donate ng dugo para sa ating blood bank. Likewise, isa sa mga highlights ng ating PCR month for the INPPO is yung showcase din ng uniform ng ating mga PNP personnel para ma-educate yung mga tao natin kung ano yung mga purposes nito, and it will be held in SM. Another big project is that, or activity for this PCR month is the Agtutubot Camp 4.0. Ang mga participants natin dito is yung mga KKDAT natin from different municipalities, different chapters, entire Ilocos Norte. So, itong Agtutubot Camp na ito is the INPPO's adaptation of the Leadership Summit. Dito natin i-gather yung mga kabataan para ma-indoctrinate kung ano yung role ng kabataan pagdating sa peace and order. As well as ano yung boses nila, paano natin maririnig yung boses nila against illegal drugs and anti-terrorism. By the third week, we will also have our Kalasag Dagat Fun Run. This is in line with the flagship program of our RD from region, wherein we will conduct a fun run. Ang aim naman nito is that yung resiliency natin when it comes to protection of our shoreline. And those are the activities laid for this PCR month.